this is the issue, and you better come wasem, and it is simple. Bawumia and wife evacuated from Qatar by Ghanaian embassies as Middle East tension escalates. Now, more a year South Central, Domi Kwabena, a year Domi Abra, a year Asenkrigwa, more a year Tutuka, a year a year Trapiase, Bonyase, Sebio Budi, any Muamuka Kahono, and something in actually say. Eye intokwa and the America for ni Iran for edi atemu dindin dia ewiasa fade nyina emu aye din a nipa nya bebi mfa no asempa esi nyina ne se eye John Mahama aban a John Mahama di enim oma di dwuma bi a sebio e wo se ye nyina Ghana fo nyina ye ko yenkotodwe nim a ye bompa ye edi hira Mahama ne eye na aban na edien na oma ye intokwa no emu ye edin no eye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ene ne yere Samere akɔhye kata na kata na no mo hye no oma mbo obia kokɔ oma nkra obia ena omo de kode kɔhye kata na de na mo ye na kata on de eye omo ankasa asɛm na wotietie mu kra na eye sunsum ade bi ntina omo kɔ kata ebi sɛ eye election omo lose ye no na yire na ka kye de sɛ omo nim nipa bi wɔ kata omo tumi hwehwɛ sunsum a omo ntia sɛ ade ntina Bawumia yusi ntina omo kɔ kata akɔye sunsum ade ansa na sɛ bibi omo bɛkɔrɔ makɔ na nyame on pɛ bɔne oni oba beifo nam oba timodemfo a onka no kora oni asofo nkwara nkora twempena aya na atoyenkyem tumi towa wanhwe ni ya obetuma afaso de ahwere wo nkwa Mahamadu Bawumia ne yere Samere ekɔhye kata na omoyɛ omonyankoma desem a sebio omompese Ghana fo behu no ɛna sebio atoyenkyem eto ya na ɛyɛ America fo ɛne Iran fo etotototo bomb na ekudum pempenso bi na ayɛ den na Bawumia nim sene obafiri ɛyɛ kata hɔ obia embu Bawumia obia nim no obia nim nipa ban a oyɛ de ema John Mahama ban na ya ban bi a sebio eni se di aban no ho agro no se enye eyimu aban enya ban a okase we eye NPP we eye CPP we eye NDP we ose eye aban a eba ma Ghana for it we hwa foreign affairs ministry no eye foreign affairs ministry eye for every Ghanaian. Now what we noticed and I see ebehu eni nyina ne say time a ensem ni siye no ena John Mahama efre okujato abla kwa kire ne say omo instructions omo ne Ghana embassies a omo kata ene Saudi Arabia en coordinate na watese Bawumia e wo kata waka ho a ye toto bomb ekunipa time a John Mahama efre okujato abla kwa de asem wetu nanim no na ye kunipa bebre wo kata na bomba eye Iran for airto omo to bomb ni sensuo abantan ewu enkwara ewu nipa eni etutu aka omunsem obia ehu bebi onfa airport nyina ye close no na Bawumia ne yere ehye kata no mu se ewiase no esia momo in fact Mahamadu Bawumia frɛ fie ka sɛ sa wamba biem a omomma no sebio omfa nkoma the first wife na onhwe omo entina emu aye din eho ena John Mahama frɛ okujato black aka kye ne sɛ ono na ban na insist and what I am telling you I know the details than you. Etitie de memeka no. John Mahama frɛ okujato abla waka chen say he is insisting that Mahamadu Bawumia and his wife Samere are brought home or to a safe ground immediately. Edi John Mahama edi command or share edi command or instruct okujato say make sure that Mahamadu Bawumia bebia owo kata bia no whether oben plane or oben plane arrange for a special flight and pick him, evacuate him from Qatar and make sure Bawumia survives. Inti okujato black was not only the also yet the only thing he had to do was to coordinate with the Ghanaian embassies in the Middle East. And so he started making calls afena of referee because Bawumia na yere ko eduro so inti omuntumi enkyere omu location. Inti okujato black had to overwork. Now embassies now started looking for Bawumia, his last destination where he is baby owo na oshekata desert bi yesi amene bi mom koji eduro se dey ehɔ no mo we kuro bi ase. And the embassy had to do what? Had to find emergency rescue team. And na omo pe omo a omo ko hu Samira ene Bawumia omo hu futuro. And omo ye den omo ka say the president has given instructions into omo the private jet kesiye made in 2024 and omo 2 year Ghana sika no se monfa nkɔ hwɛ Bawumia. We cannot waste the money. We are not John Mahama onye obi a odi Ghana play sika ekofa plane akodware wom. Onfa Ghana plane sebio enkodi nkwasi asem. Onfa nkoto pizza ma ne ba jankroma bedi. Onfa nkofa eye criminal musician bi. So what John Mahama said was use the taxpayers' money to evacuate Mahamadu Bawumia wherever he is. Into John Mahama mass instructions, no, they made sure say immediately kata plane biana ya available. Sebio, it does not matter. John Mahama the assembly share word must say it does not matter how much it will cost. As someone catch coordinate with the embassies. It does not matter how much it is going to cost. Make sure Bawumia is saved. Those were his last words to Okujato Ablakwa. It does not matter how much it will cost. Make sure Mahamadu Bawumia and his family and his wife are saved. And they did everything possible to rescue Mahamadu Bawumia and Nenere to Saudi Arabia. And I'm going to say, Mahamadu Bawumia and Nenere at Saudi Arabia. Plane no, Ghana Bank is now finding ways to pay. Mahamadu Bawumia and Nenere are in Saudi Arabia enjoying themselves. And this is what we call governance. This is what we call people with good hearts. In Tenkenya John Dramani Mahama, any sebio neni any ne doa or woma Ghana ni bia irrespective of political party Bawumia nkuwu anka bomba toni tiriso ka bomba tete na ode ne yire no anka oma woman kende ye la ke ato matwene. These are some of the things you are not supposed to play with. Now nim dia ya wumpa Mahamadu Bawumia John Mahama saving a life we no instead of Bawumia making his wife hold her phone to do a video to send to Bawumia, Mahama and Ghana GBC for them to play it for us to see, no. Mahamadu Bawumia den esaka kire NPP for say omumbe twatro kire say ai ono ana toto wurem akopie Saudi Arabia. And you see what he did after John Mahama is saving you know, then he said they should put this statement out. I say, following the publication in the media that Dr. Bawumia and his wife have been evacuated from Qatar, we have received concerns about the safety of the couple. I say, yani NPP for yati ehu say aban way through the media no to me akot tam Bawumia na ire deche apepa omo hu futuro de omo si play mu ama omuti omo yomutiri efri owuo mpaso na omo say saa asem na omate no sebio omo NPP no eye abutoye mu asem na emom omo nsem ba aku mienu bi omo pese omo ka kireye statement omo ka kireye in their first statement no omo gia tum say NDC aban no through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs no through John Mahama's effort no yetumi rescue NPP flag bearer from not dying. The last time a who flag bearer of the NPP, no US embassy, JB Dankwa, na obusa the salary. JB Dankwa, ye ni free prison no, wan kofi anko okoro ne tuo. He went straight to the US embassy to ask for his salary. The same time and a presidential candidate of the NPP almost died. Through the effort of John Mahama and the Foreign Affairs Ministry, no, he has been saved. And so tie in some NPP for the Tróuble. Now, check it. Accordingly, we say as follows: Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and his wife Hajia Samira are both fine and safe. See I catch the Ghana for any NPP for. Say they bet to catch them say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na yire onyame through John Mahama ediomu sebio eyomutiri efri owuo mpaso. Ama ye dioma kosi baby ye. 2. The couple left Doha, Qatar, this morning for Saudi Arabia to perform Umrah, an essential Islamic practice. Shadio. Bomb bonito to Qatar no. Na Mahamadu Bawumia wa Qatar. Na yesima plane bian to Qatar. Na aka a very small window, plane 1 or 2 per enebet movie. Through the Ghana embassy, through the president of the republic, a demanded say whatever plane no matter how much they will charge, no, almost airlift you and from Saudi Arabia. No. And the NPP for catch say, oh, But I say catch them say, yeah, can say Bawumia ne yere, omo frikata, aba Dubai, omo ye chiriya ho. They don't want to acknowledge, appreciate, show the president and the government to say, enya wo John Mahama anke flag bearer go wu. One ne yere nko wu. Anke sia o mufunu krampo nke yehu bebia nenam cause ka bomb besina pempem. But instead of the NPP to just say thank you John Mahama for saving Mahamadu Bawumia no, they are telling us to say eye Bawumia ne yere Afrikata eko Dubai Saudi Arabia na omo meme na omo koye omo fa trotro na omo koye ade no mte fru ponko so Afrikata na omo de call Saudi Arabia na omo te trotro the NPP omo Jimmy. Now look at their last point. Or say the couple would commence their Umrah on Thursday, 5th March 2026, and then leave Saudi Arabia on Saturday, 7th March 2026. They did not address, they could not say thank you, Mr. President. And Kanajuwe, I'm expecting to see every single person at the Independence Square or your MPP kneeling down naked and thanking John Mahama and worshiping John Mahama and his wife. And so the same group of ungrateful political termites want to tell us to say Mahamadu Bawumia ne yere Samere they are so fun kitten ne dano omo fa desert so nam form from Qatar and on be Saudi Arabia. You see the stupidity of the NPP, but you ask yourself, why now Kosi Adewe? It is Mahamadu Bawumia because he told them to release the statement. You see the stupidity of the NPP. Saushe and Sama Makache na uche omoleta na because it is Samira oniminyansa one ni kurune kasa. Sebi oye nkremoni unim sene tie. Se uwo ewufuo mpaso na onyonko politician edi bibia ato nchen. Imagine, shede Akufo Addo JJ Rawlings. Plane pa na JJ Rawlings air powerful cry na o money being full. Hotel security crime from airport kalo nyebi. At a point, we saw how Akufo Addo and Bawumia treated Mahama. A Diana team I think continue the way of Safma for na no se boto asay da KVIP mu en kwasiade of Safma for ye. Now you say John Mahama na sebio eye asem we si and wakoka kata and Akufo Addo ebema instructions say yefa John Mahama free ho. No. Oje senka Mahamadu Bawumia ebema instructions say yefa Mahama free ho. No. So why can't they as a political party, why can't Mahamadu Bawumia as the leader of that party be humble enough and be human enough? Adai party no intima jimintia ya jimon kwakura still na muti jiminim. This is disgusting and very unpatriotic, very selfish. Nyankopon nim say as Bawumia lives on this planet, he owes John Mahama. Bawumia kra John Mahama na edi amano. Bawumia ne yere Samere kra edanimu John Mahama ne na aban e na bu ehusa okra na egu omakumem. Because honestly, they themselves they gave up. Enti Bawumia ba Ghana no nam Ghana ye de da they also catch and say wo enya Mahama nka wo Bawumia wo ne wo yere Samere senkenya John Mahama ne NDC abanya anka esie mu desert so anka eagles okode de bedimu nam kasabio imprekom nam desert so ene bewe mu nam every say nka ye hu bebi mpa mu body no ebekwa akoda enti de na ya enti munni any kind of fair bia wo mu say we need to put politics aside and come on national television and thank the president. Munye nipa. Enti munye nipa. Mon fili bibi so bi boa mo amunhu. Don't you see it? Can't you be matured a little bit? But someone you ready some majatum, someone you ready some mobile nipa. We Ghanaians we have seen it. Yani Ghana for you. And we would like to say thank you to the president. Thank you to the government. Thank you to the NDC for such a beautiful gesture. Mahamadu Bawumia ne kra ekuta mu de bia he owe it to you people. Eyamunti NDC nti NDC abainti na Mahamadu Bawumia otiase. Eti de bia no ode mama bofoma na oda onyankopon ase a na waka che onyankopon so onhyira eye NDC because ankenye NDC anka Bawumia kontiase ko. And it is terrible when you see this guy not being able to even put a camera in front of him to say, thank you, Mahama. Please play it on national television. This guy, because Naira catch and say, man, yeah. And in the Islamic religion, Umrah, Anna, the ritual performance no kind of it is when you're performing it involves rituals. So why is Mahamadu Bawumia doing it during fasting time in Dubai? Why is he performing Umrah in Qatar? The wife still does not understand why Bawumia lost the elections. They went there to go and look into some black power. Umrah, during fasting, this is the holy month. This is not a time you do what? You basically do rituals. So why is he all the way in Saudi, in Qatar, saying that is what did he go do in Qatar? What was he doing in Qatar? And then the on country, because Qatar no ko bonsamso, oko idroso. They still want to find a spiritual way because physically they saw they have seen said this guy can never win presidency in Ghana. Now they are finding spiritual ways. That is why they were in Qatar. So Umrah now this is the holy month. And Umrah involves rituals. So if it involves rituals in the holy month, we don't do any rituals. So why was he in Qatar? Yeah, dear.
Friday and Saturday to for Monday papa no down hobra. Right. That's my possibility. Fashion Monday. I can see what Fashion Monday. When's my to your coin or Yaba woman? Who will call some obia? Who will 2 for us? That's a clever one. Watch your move for 2. Friday and 2 for. Friday and Saturday to for Monday papa no down hobra. Right. That's my possibility. Fashion Monday. I can see what Fashion Monday.
Thank you very much. And a friend of mine is telling me, it can be done anytime. So the fact that the company said Umrano, it can be done even around this time. Why did he go all the way to Qatar or to Saudi Arabia to do it? Is this his first time there? Umrana also, it can be done anytime. So if it can be done anytime, why all the way in Qatar? This is not the first time Samira Mahamadu Bawumia Eko Saudi Arabia. So why did they start it from Qatar? He could have done it in Ghana, and I Ghana and Kremofo no omu almost be in Kremofo. Bawumia is a sketchy guy. Or then they know almost can't crack. A draw, black power, a draw and free nyame. Samira, the life in a draw. All right. Now, it's exactly 9:08 p.m. Ghana time, about 4:08 in the United States of America. Team, what is this? And I'm a team this time no. Time na Mahamadu Bawumia ewa kata no. Bomb no moto ye missiles, bomb no moto no. Nipa be 16, e bi 93 ye nipa bebre e prepare. That was the day John Dramani Mahama can say we should go and bring Mahamadu Bawumia. It does not matter what it will take. I want to show you. Enti mo NPP for mo enasebia. Monfa enna eyedien. Monfa enna Mahamud John Dramani Mahama. Team, I'm trying to find a story. I've seen it actually. Day na efa Mahamud Bawumia no. Na ya to bomb ewo kata. Ema nipa bi na yatete. Nipa bi ani etutu. Nipa bi ekem. John Mahama insisted say yanko for Bawumia emfri katamra Ghana. It does not matter what it takes. That was the statement he made to Eye Ablakwa. Bring my brother to me. Protect him and bring him home. John Mahama asama efri ne num a okachre eye den okachre eye foreign affairs ministry no. I say emfa ne ho whatever it takes for them to bring Mahamadu Bawumia to Ghana. It does not matter the amount involved. Or say, Monkofa Bawumia ne yere emfri war zone nim. Bawumia kono okra Mahama. Bawumia okono okra Mahama. Bawumia okra NPP monko asiafo no kra mo. Wan kan kyerem bebi okompo. Oka kyerem se oko bebi aba. Team, I was trying to find it, but it's fine. I can't get it now. Bawumia ka kyerem se oko bebi aba. Wan kan kyerem se oko kata. Enso ende Bawumia ewiase onam John Mahama ntina Bawumia nam wiase. Nko wawu. Thank you very much, team. When the story comes, I was trying to pull it out, team. I couldn't get it. I have it though, but I don't know what's going on. Oh, I've seen it. Thank you. Anyway, day na ya tam Bawumia every katano. Missile debris injures 16 in Qatar after Iran launches barrage. Day na ya tam Bawumia every Qatar. John Mahama my instructions say yentam Bawumia free kata no na nipa 16 omatete ebie prepra me no ka say ebi say 2 ebie ni abo as John Mahama ka say he does not care. Get our brother and our witch sister out. Inti mo NPP for mushia na mo ni afenyi dadzi mushia momfa John Mahama edin moka emi na mo say John Mahama. Instead some can aim, you know, mo bompa area mo say in the name of John Mahama. Mo NPP for mo share afenyi dadzia. Mo can say omo bompa yema eye NPP gathering omo share in the name of Agloa. Omo bompa ye na ABC omo can say in the name of NDC. In the name of John Mahama, because enye John Mahama nka Bawumia nka wowu.
Se wani kuma kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkumu so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkumu so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkumu so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman
upon us with mercy. So those of us who have common sense and are on social media and are writing, why is the president giving 25 million and this and that and talking plenty and the cathedral is going to cost you to lose elections? No one will lose elections before because he built a cathedral. We will see in this country. We will see it that no one is going to lose election because he dedicated a prime land for God. Judges were living in that place. Ridge is one of the choicest lands in this country. And they said, take the judges out and put the temple of Jehovah here. That's what Solomon did. Now, because mercy. So those of us who have common sense and are on social media and are writing, why is the president giving 25 million and this and that and talking plenty and the cathedral is going to cost you to lose elections? No one will lose elections before because he built a cathedral. We will see in this country. We will see it that no one is going to lose election because he dedicated a prime land for God. Judges were living in that place. Ridge is one of the choicest lands in this country. And they said, take the judges out and put the temple of Jehovah here. That's what Solomon did. Now, because David obeyed and he created a temple through his son Solomon, can you imagine Jerusalem 5,000 years after the fact? They still call Jerusalem the city of David.
I've been telling Ghanaians, say, Jimmy. But I don't want you wait. Jimmy for you don't entertain. These are foolish people. They are liars. Oh, hey, Mamika been shocked. These people you see on your TVs, a drama, a come, a ubiabedi. They are thieves. Paul Adamochi. 90% of Sanko from TV so anopatututu no mo dware amabo to powder abetena ho. I am the finder of DND, I am the editor of DND. I omunya comedy omunya skaway. Where do they work? Omusika way. Omusika free. Come your heart for Mameka se minchemo. Ghana, you see, na me besemeka. You see Bawumia. Question a majority of you na mubusa and say, I didn't want to tell you this, but let me tell you people. Me Samira de ono me hunu kwana makoma ba. Me chiri no abrabo mu. Samira, I despise her or to say fear to me. Me chiri no. Samira me chiri, and she knows. I'm sure. My source in Qatar, Mameka been sure. This is what happened. Oh, somebody good for oil on the buyer, no. Anything about me, I could pay Qatar, no. Me catch no. Ne yere na de call Qatar. They were going to form some alliance in Qatar. I'm sure they see. It is so many people asking. Now Bawumia eko Saudi Arabia kwa koye umra. And then he ended up in Qatar. Because these are two different places. And you know why? Nyame on pebone. I'm not sure what happened there in Qatar. Before election 2024, Bawumia introduced gold for oil. The only place they were taking the gold was in Dubai. Bawumia had established some few people in Dubai. They were the ones Alpha Stream was sending the gold to. So Bawumia threw gold for oil, no? Or resource a lot of some sheikhs in Dubai. And Bawumia himself made money. Me chira wa de kwento ko pie Qatar no. Enti to am say na Bawumia ko Qatar ko ye de won't me ma answer that. Because Qatar enye ho ena ye umra no, enye ho ena ye Saudi Arabia no. So gold for oil no. Bawumia channel gold ni nyina to Dubai. We did not sell our gold to any country. Recently, Sammy Gyamfi is trying to make sure we are able to spread our wings nationwide to be able to sell gold around the world. So specifically, Sabapawe Bawumia or no, they had some friends and business tycoon friends who are Arabians in Dubai. 90% of the gold that a bar under gold for oil no. Also Bawumia had the idea. But you ask yourself, I didn't free baby, but Bawumia was the one championing the gold for oil. Do you say what is his interest? Or say the gold for oil was going to bring down the price of fuel. Now the question here is, it was because of money. Yanko ton physical gold ni yenji sikani fanto fuel and gas. Petrol every Dubai from Ghana. The same gold, you know. And come to me, Akoton or UK. Nanka why then through Bank of Ghana. Near the top the same fuel every Dubai. But Bawumia established on one and call for Dubai. So every week they were lifting gold in the name of gold for oil and giving to them. Now there's a trick. They were using Alpha Stream as the middleman. And Alpha Stream was working for Bawumia. Now Bawumia was very confident that Sanko Annan gold no come hold Dubai directly, no, resourcing them and making them make millions, including himself, no. He was damn and 100.1% sure Sanko will win elections, no. Now something happened. 2024, Mahamadu Bawumia was expecting these people in Dubai to do what? To give him money for the campaign. Now, in the leading chart, no. In the leading connection, no. What happened was that the people in Saudi Arabia, at a point, they pulled back because they were also looking at the dynamics. They were looking at the dynamics who say the Bawumia government is a criminal government. And they also brought their people in to do a pure survey to see how the wind was blowing. At a point, normalizing say, John Mahama was trustworthier than Bawumia. So what the Arabians did was they stayed away with the money. Because a business, you cannot force them to give you money for your campaign. But Bawumia was very confident this will be winning elections, no. And it's Sankofona go for all your gold in Yakudi or mono. They didn't bring money. Now, Mahamadu Bawumia has found another channel in Qatar. What is he doing? The reason why Bawumia could pay Qatar and say, Onen Irene went there to build alliance with some people who are into gold in Qatar. Now, this is his message. Okudru Qatar no. Bawumia ko Qatar and say now bomb manako ka hoda mahama mayako fanaba no. He went there to tell them say 99.99% John Mahama is going to leave power and he is going to be the person who will win the elections. Because Ghana political terrain anymore. John Mahama is not going again. And John Mahama leaving, it gives him the opportunity to win the elections. So right now, no, he's building some blocks in Qatar, giving them hope, say, he's going to be president in 2029, and even the gold board is going to give him more authority over our gold to ship our gold directly to them. So it was basically to form alliance with some new partners who will be funding his campaign so that John Mahama didn't know, say, John Mahama be free power and he will be president. They will pump the money into his campaign for him to be able to become president. And nothing about Bawumia na yiriko pie kata. That is all. Kata na Bawumia koye it was because of your gold. He is telling the Qatarians, say, Mahama will leave power in 2029. He is the only obstacle. And Mahama leaving power, he is the only person who will be president. And that they should understand that even the gold board now Mahama established, it gives him a lot of room to be able to deal directly with them. And they should start funding him. And then now the only thing who said was because, and I'm telling you this from Qatar. Bawumia ko Qatar no na nipa oho. Bawumia ko Qatar no na Ghana for ho. There were brokers there, which we have our investigative sources in Qatar. Intina Bawumia, the only thing that saved us Ghanaians, bomb na Iran for two, and then who Mahamadu Bawumia, the location. He didn't tell anybody that Onene Yireno air could strike a deal with Qatar. Because right now, he needs those people who are there willing to take our gold to give him money for his campaign. That's why he was there. Makachram say, and you see, his wife is the one leading this. They are the ones telling her, say, they can crack this deal for Mahamadu Bawumia. And that Bawumia should come. It's Mumbusa Bawumia say, what did he actually go do in Qatar? It's a question he doesn't want to answer. Mumbusa no, we are going to Qatar. In this already letter na Bawumia mo release na so study letter na o dem kan. Dr. Bawumia and his wife Hajia Samira are both fine and safe. The couple left Doha, Qatar, this morning for Saudi Arabia to perform Umrah, an essential Islamic practice. They left Qatar for Doha, Saudi Arabia. What were they doing in Qatar? You can't tell me Bawumia flew all the way to Qatar and to connect to Doha. It doesn't work like that. When you fly from Ghana, you go straight to Doha. So how did Mahamadu Bawumia end up in Qatar? He has no relations there. Uncle Rokos, no relations. Boondocks. Bawumia was just trading your nation in Qatar. And Nitina, they have avoided interrogating what Bawumia was doing there. But you see, Bawumia is a dangerous politician. A very tricky guy. Now, you know, a very dangerous woman. This woman will sell anything to make sure Bawumia is president because she needs something from Ghana. These are very two dangerous people. And I may say, Bermano, Onimnyansa, with all due respect, to make some decisions. Wama Obawi using a drubone criminality ni nyoma bi. Into free Qatar ne ba, ofri Dubai ne ba, bumbusa so koye de o Qatar. because it's something that's supposed to concern us. Bawumia is a national asset. We want to know, what were you doing there? Were you on holidays? Because when you went to Qatar, it was during the fasting. So you can't tell me, said during the fasting you went to Qatar for holidays. Did you go there for an event? Let us know the event you went to. Because Bawumia, as the flag bearer of the NPP and the former vice president entering Qatar, Bawumia will inform the embassy that expect me in Qatar on official duty. Did Bawumia do that? No. Bawumia sneaked into Qatar to do their on business. It is our goal he's preparing. So, mumbusa omo. Omo mne Bawumia koye no. Omo didn't say ye Jimmy. We don't know what is going on. We know everything. When Mahamadu Bawumia finished the primaries, Mr. Get it for me. Didn't Bawumia tweet that he was going to UK? One can't Mr. Get me that tweet. Bawumia we primaries now, or Robo Anas or reggae elections now, or Winnie and or UK. When tweety and the whole world said, I will be in the UK to be part of an event. Why didn't he this time tweet to tell us he was going to Qatar? Quiet. Because it was an illegal deal. Or the Mukroni Kosiawawa. Me say Bawumia win elections, 2 days no win election na Oko UK no. One tweet and can't munya so Oko UK. One can't the whole NPP. One your public announcement. Didn't he tell you all that he was going? Huh? Why didn't he tweet that he was going to Qatar? Because this Qatar he went, Samira Bawumia's brother was part of the team. Who the hotel or them? Do you want me to tell them the hotel rooms they slept in? Qatar no mukweno, na Samira Bawumia nyane kaun. Does he want me to tell him his hotel room? When the meeting started? And this is the danger we are facing today. This is how dangerous these people are. So, you see, they are just Fulani new Bawe no. She doesn't care about you, Ghana. Mr. Bawumia, we are in elections, so we're in tweet. Besides, do you have the tweet? Show me the tweet, besides. Thank you. So when you leave the capital of Qatar, Doha to Saudi Arabia, leaving Doha to Saudi Arabia, why didn't he tell us, oh, me wa Doha, I'm in Qatar. Me fiwa me ko Saudi Arabia. Why didn't he do that? He didn't tell us anything. When he was in Doha, when he was in Qatar, he didn't tell anybody he was in Qatar. He didn't make any official statement. He didn't tweet about it. He didn't tell anybody. Now they are telling us that they are flying in Doha, they are flying to Saudi Arabia to come and perform Hajj, whatever duties. Bawumia is a liar. Now, let me show you the tweets. Time Oko UK no. When Bawumia was leaving for the UK, he told us this. Team, this is what Bawumia told us. Oko UK no. I left Accra this evening for the United Kingdom. Date show 3rd of February 2026. Right before their 31st January primaries. Bawumia tweeted and told us he's going to the UK. He said, I left Accra this evening for the United Kingdom to attend a symposium at the blah, 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 Oxford, blah, 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 to celebrate the career of Professor Paul Collier, a globally renowned economist. Whilst at Oxford, I shall participate in other activities and return to Ghana at the weekend, God willing. This is what Bawumia tweeted after he won the elections. Now you're going to Doha, you're going to Qatar. Why didn't you tell anybody you're going to Qatar? Samira Bawumia's brother was part of the group. I know the hotel they slept. These are criminals. They went there to go raise another group of people to destroy us. He went there to tell the Qatarians that he is going to be the next president of Ghana because Mahamadu the term now ended. So let me tell you this. So let me be honest with you people. Bawumia or a dangerous politician. Sa UK no koka no. Memo bi antranka say oh, ena Bawumia sa e kata no koka do ha no koka no. Mon tranka say oh, ena Bawumia okoshe no o kata ya den. Osi ya chiri wi a o ko Saudi Arabia. Na ko pie kata. Ofri Saudi Arabia no ba bumbusa say no e de o kata. Bawumia should tell us what he was doing in Qatar. Sanko from Dine Chikwe, what was the meeting about? Wait.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.